If 2022 had a mantra for small business owners, it would be make more videos. And while you probably see and understand how sharing videos can help you grow on these social media platforms like Instagram, you may be thinking, I have better things to do with my time, like run a business. But what if I told you that it is about to come full circle and that the video content that you are sharing on TikTok and Instagram could very soon be appearing on Google search results, which means that the video content that you are creating and sharing on Instagram and TikTok will also help you with your search engine optimization, also known as SEO, with the potential for even more people to discover you and your business. If you're intrigued and want to learn more about this potential Google update and also how you as a small business owner can take full advantage of it, then keep watching. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. Let's kick this discussion off by first talking about what Google is thinking and also about the steps they've taken so far for this potential update. If you've ever gone to Google and searched for a particular phrase, let's say how to cut layers in your hair, you'll notice that at the top of the search results, Google displays video clips from YouTube that will show you how to cut layers in your hair. As you know, Google didn't always display videos in their search results. Now, what they did find, though, was an opportunity to be able to connect their Googlers with the most pertinent information and content that they were looking for through these YouTube videos. Now, we can't gloss over the fact that Google owns YouTube. So the back-end part of this, where you're able to query and index these videos so that they properly display in Google search results, was relatively easy for them because they own both platforms. But Google did take it one step further by now adding tweets from Twitter onto their Google search results as well. So for example, if we Google Elon Musk, you will notice that not only does his Twitter profile appear, but you can continue scrolling and down here, his tweets show up. Now, here's the thing. Unlike YouTube, Google does not own Twitter, which means that they had to enter into a partnership with Twitter with all of the terms of a contract negotiated. So that means that they are paying Twitter a fee to be able to display these tweets onto the Google search results pages. They also had to hash out how they were going to exchange data because you have to catalog and index all of these tweets to be able to appear appropriately on the search results page. So all of that had to be hashed out before Google could start displaying these tweets on their search results pages. Similar to the partnership that they have with Twitter, Google has now moved on to having these same conversations with Instagram and TikTok, which should come to us as no surprise considering that Google owns YouTube. YouTube recognized and saw how successful short form videos were on TikTok and Instagram that they launched their own YouTube Shorts version of it. And so as of October of 2021, Google did confirm that they were having these discussions with Instagram and TikTok to move this project forward. Now, we don't have a launch date as far as when this could potentially be released, and probably for good reason. I mean, Google does own YouTube. YouTube is one of the biggest competitors or the biggest competitor to TikTok and Instagram both. And so I would imagine that outside of just the pricing negotiations, the biggest contract terms that they're going to be looking at is how they're exchanging data. I don't really think it's too smart to provide all of your data and information to your biggest competitor, and I'm sure that Instagram and TikTok both recognize that. So it is to be continued, and we will see as the year progresses when this could potentially launch for the public. What does this mean for you as a small business owner that's using TikTok or Instagram? Well, there are 3 key steps that you could be taking right now to prepare you for this potential Google update. Number 1, know which questions are most searched in your industry and consider making Instagram and TikTok videos that answer those most searched questions. Number 2, if you are creating videos on Instagram and TikTok, consider using keywords in your video, in your captions, and also in your hashtags. Number 3, if you are on Instagram or TikTok but aren't sharing videos talking about your business, your products or services, or even just sharing valuable information that could attract potential clients or customers, consider starting. While this update won't be effective immediately, it could potentially come to fruition in 2022. And so you want to be as prepared as possible as a small business owner so that when the time comes, you have an entire video library that Google can pull from off of TikTok or Instagram to display on their Google search results. Imagine what a search engine or SEO boost that would be for your small business. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a video just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Also, don't forget that I have a website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where I have a full video library for you to check out. I have a couple of free downloads there, and also where you could sign up for my weekly email list in case you want even more marketing news and information. Thanks again for tuning in, y'all. I'll catch you next week, same time and place.